From the Sky team in the Netherlands, we want to congratulate our best and most respected competitor, Cyberhawk, with their 10th anniversary, and we say happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk from Pennsylvania Chemicals Project.
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk! Best wishes from Arabian Technical Services, Muscat, Oman. Thank you and good luck.
Chris Malcolm and the Cyberhawk team, happy 10th birthday from the beautiful Permian Basin in West Texas.
Happy 10th birthday, Cyberhawk! All the way, Tengiz, Kazakhstan.
From Grosjean Putin's family here in Trinidad and Tobago, we want to wish Cyberhawk and its whole crew happy anniversary.
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk from sunny Portugal.
Take 20. Hi everyone, it's Cyberhawk. I'm sure you don't want a couple of lawyers droning on for too long, so this will be quick. It's been a pleasure to work with you over the past 10 years or so, so happy birthday and cheers.
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk from the whole Flyability team.
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk. I hope you guys have a great party Friday night. Wish I could be there.
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk from sunny Ireland.
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk. Have a fantastic night and keep up the great work. From your investors at Bank of Montreal Global Asset Management.
Hi, I've known the team at Cyberhawk since around 2009. My role essentially was to support our founding management team in terms of any recruitment related activity. I was actually involved in the recruitment of Phil Buchan, who is now the commercial director for Cyberhawk. So I think it's been a massive success story. I just want to wish you guys the very best, and I hope you have an enjoyable 10th happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy 10th birthday to Cyberhawk. We give you for your wonderful technology. We give you for having the most amazing, lovely staff, and we give you for being the best clients we've ever had. Happy 10th birthday!
Congratulations, Cyberhawk, on your 10 years. The data doesn't lie. The company's really taking off. Hope you have a great evening. Catch up soon.
From all at Renewable UK, we would like to wish Cyberhawk a very happy anniversary. As the first company to conduct drone inspections for onshore and offshore wind turbines, inspecting thousands of blades, it has been a pleasure to be part of your journey. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk. Best wishes for bright future. I am Mohan from Mossack Enterprise, Sendrian Brahat, on-sim inspection contract, Shell Petroleum Brunei.
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk from SNU Thailand.
Happy birthday, Cyberhawk from Azerbaijan.
Sorry we can't make it tonight. We'd love to have been there. Happy 10th birthday!
Happy birthday!